So this is a video that a lot of you have been waiting for, and it's the VW T25 Golf GTI engine swap. So that's the 8-valve petrol Golf engine there on the stand, and we're just currently doing the head gasket on it. And that's the KY 1.7 diesel engine that was removed from the T25 Transporter. How are you getting on, Jacko?
Yeah, it's good, man.
Are we getting there?
We're getting there.
So yeah, it's starting to look good. We had to make some mods with a dipstick. We had to cut a piece out of the old dipstick and weld it into this to make it fit. We've got a bigger oil filter to go on here. What else did we have to change? What other mods were there that we had to do?
New sump pickup.
So we put the sump on, yeah, sump pickup.
We've got to make a 2-into-1 into
exhaust.
Exhaust. New oil filter. Got rid of the power steering pump. We've got rid of quite a lot of stuff. It's had new belt tensioner, new belts. We've put a blanking plate where the old filler used to go.
Obviously the head gasket's now done, and
head gasket's on.
New cam belt and tensioner.
New leads, new plugs. Throw it in and plumb her up. Nearly.
So the engine's now all put together, it's ready to go in the van. We managed to drag it across the garden on an old like car wheel skid. One of the skids that you put underneath a car if you want to move the car around the workshop. Good.
I'm not sweating at all. She's nearly there. Nearly there. In a minute she will just pop together. Fingers crossed. Just jack that up a snacker, mate. Come on, baby.
Any more?
Trapping it up. There's no wires in the way. Ah, come on, baby. Come down.
She wants to go mine.
Yeah, just gonna get the splines to line up, mate. That'll be fucking kaput.
Just have another go.
Oh, what's going on here? What is it?
Do you want to go up more, do you think?
Hold
on the gearbox?
Hold on. We need to turn, this motor needs to go. So this needs to come up. Right up. Yeah, because that one's going on. That one. That needs to go right round that. Down a motor. Come through there onto that bit. That needs to come. There we go. Right. Steady, steady.
Well, between the two of us, we did manage to get the engine to go in. Unfortunately, it was that much of a chew on, I didn't manage to get any footage. Never mind, but now the engine's in, next job is to do the wiring. This looks very interesting. So I have took a bit of time off over Christmas, and I'm hoping to get this wiring done. And I'm sure once I've done that, I'll update you with another video. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. And I hope you all have a fantastic Christmas and a happy new year. And I just want to thank everyone that's subscribed to the channel and everyone that supports all my videos with your likes and comments. Thanks a lot. Have a great Christmas.